Let's learn to write the word Hajj. The letter Ha is written like this, and then we continue up to trace an alif. Of course then we stop because alif doesn't join. And then a final Jim is written like so, and we have the dot under the letter. So here we have the word Hajj. Here we have the word bank in print. Let's see what it looks like when handwritten. It's very similar. The letter Ba, and then the letter Nun, and then the letter Kaf, with everything connected. Then we finish the final Kaf by placing a small initial Kaf inside the letter. The letter Ba has a dot, of course, below the letter, and Nun has one above. And that is how you write the word bank. The name Muhammad is written like this. We write the word in one continuous line, and we start relatively high above the line. We start the letter Mim, continue to the letter Ha, carry on to the second Mim, and we finish with the letter Dal. And that's how you write the name Muhammad. Here is the word Batata in print. It looks very similar to the handwritten word. So we start with the letter Ba. Up until here this is still Ba, but we continue the line to make space for the letter Ta. We don't finish off the Ta just yet, we continue the line to form an alif and we stop. Now we form the second Ta and the letter alif. To the first Ta we add a line, and the same goes for the second. And of course we add the dot under the letter Ba. And that's how you write the word Batata, which means potato. Now let's write the word Sakin, which means live. The letter Sin begins with a little flick above the line and continues along the line. We continue up with the letter Alif and of course stop because it doesn't join. Now the letter Kaf is written in two parts. The first part looks like this and it continues to join to the final Nun. And now that we've finished the word, we come back to complete the Kaf with its last line, and then we add the dot above the Nun, of course. We can also add a kasra to help us pronounce the word. Sakin. The last word we will learn to write is Lubnan, Lebanon, which looks very similar in handwriting to the print. We start high up with the letter Lam, and we continue the line to form the letter Ba, and then Nun, and continue into an alif. Here we stop, we trace the final Nun, and then pass between letters adding in the dots. A dot below the Ba, above the Nun, and then another dot above the final Nun. And there you have the word Lubnan.